Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning. Today I'm going to show you what happens when you put laundry or fabric softener inside of your toilet. You are going to be amazed. Now, you certainly could use these little beads and put them in there, but I don't recommend this. By the way, I got this at the Dollar Tree. They have the most amazing jars. You could use something like this, but I got a simpler method for you. Rather than going to your store and getting poopery, by the way, on Amazon, this is like $9, or you can pick this up at your local Dollar Tree for, get it, $1. What I like to do, and this is going to impress your friends and your family. Let's just take a look at this downy fabric, eliminating lingering odors, odor defense. Let's just look in the back of the ingredients right here. What is the first ingredient? Can you see it right there? Water. Second ingredient, alcohol. Alcohol is what is going to be doing our job right here. And you know how it's very difficult to get up inside the rim right here with toilet bowl cleaner? This is amazing because you can get all up in your rim. You can spray this before you poo. You can spray this after you poo. You can just spray this to freshen up your toilet, and then you can also spray it in your entire bathroom if you want to make it smell amazing. And again, just put it on top of your toilet where it's clearly visible for your guests, and they're going to be wondering why you have that available. And then when they need to do what they need to do, they're going to be so grateful to you, and you can say, Andrea Jean made me do it. Now, if you're looking for a video about what happens when you put washing powder in your toilet, that is one of my favorites. I'm going to link that video in the description box below. Give this video a thumbs up, share it out, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.